you're looking so smart and so handsome on the Maharatri red carpet, no? What do you think of the event? It's going to be fantastic tonight, no?
I think it's going to be an interesting one, and cricket-loving public will like this event a lot.
So, Sanath, are you keen to watch the big Maharatri debate tonight? Who are you going to support?
My favourite team is good question, and I played in Mumbai, so I have to support for Mumbai team.
Mumbai? I don't think they're in tonight's debate, Sanath. Well, okay, don't worry. I'll talk to you inside. I'll see you inside. See you later, Sanath.
Thank you very much.
Got to look good for Sanath. Yeah, Sanath, come in. Please, come in. It's good to see you, Please, take a seat. My God, you're looking so youthful and handsome. Your hair has grown back. What do you do to stay so youthful, Sanath?
I think I have to do a lot of things, because normally in a one-day series I always go and bowl in the practices and a lot of hard work.
Alright, I get it. You're all about the hard work. You work hard. But I mean, my God, look at you. You must have quite a makeup team, no, Sanath?
We have everything.
Wow. So you do it all yourself? My God. You're so talented, Sanath. But anyway, around your travels of Melbourne and the Melbourne universities around Melbourne, you must have noticed this competition going on between the Indian and Sri Lankan clubs. You got Muir, you got Musalsa, Musalsi, Musik, you got the four big ones. This sort of competition, who is the best one? What do you think about all this competition, Sanath? What do you think?
I think they should have been one of the best series, because the whole four teams are very tough teams.
Yeah, okay, if you want to call them teams, okay, they're very tough, I know, they're very, very strong, I know, but, I mean, discounting this Musik, which is the new one, the newly formed one, which one do you think is the best out of the four? I mean, out of the three, sorry.
You can't say that all three are really good.
Okay, I know you're trying to be diplomatic, but surely you must think one out of the three is the best. Which one do you think is the best?
The South Africa also, they have a very good side, but thing is, you can't specify, because the all three are one of the best one-day teams in the world.
One-day teams? I'm talking about the cultural clubs. I don't know what South Africa you're talking about. I haven't heard of the South African cultural club. They don't have a show as good as Maharatri, okay? But anyway, out of these four clubs, which one do you think has the best president?
No doubt Sachin is the best.
Oh, Sachin. Sachin is a very good choice. But anyway, I heard you recently wanted to show off your amazing dancing skills at Maharatri, but you didn't get through. Now, do you think Kavinda, the Musalsi president, will give you another chance?
No, I don't have to tell him. He knows, he has a lot of experience. We don't have to tell him.
Look, Sanath, Kavinda is not an easy man to please, okay? Do you really think he will give you another chance?
He will, because he had played enough cricket. He knows the game very well, better than us.
I don't know how cricket is going to help your dancing. But anyway, you are a man of many talents, and recently you were inducted into the Australian Labour Party, yes? Well, and you were also last year on the Sri Lankan Parliament for the seat of Colombo. Now anyway, how do you think that the Labour Party won the last election, and how do you inspire those in the Labour Party to tell them that they can win this election now?
Yeah, after we winning the World Cup, it has whole thing is changed. A lot of most of the players got a lot of confidence. Whenever we go out, we know we can feel it. We can win this game, like that, because we won the big one. Now we can do it, because most of the players are the whole team, the whole squad had a lot of confidence.
Right. So like every Sri Lankan, you mention the 1996 World Cup, you draw inspiration from the 1996 World Cup, and you live off the 1996 World Cup. Typical. But anyway, what do you think of Kevin Rudd as the Prime Minister currently?
That's a very difficult question to ask. Answer.
Well, let's talk cricket again for just 1 minute before we go, because we're running out of time. Who do you think will win this year's Australian Allan Border medal for the best player? Will it be Michael Clarke again? Could it be that fellow Shane Watson, even Peter Siddle? Or could it even be that fellow, that one-quarter Sri Lankan fellow Ashton Agar? Who do you think will win?
I think Aravinda De Silva. He's one of the best batsmen I have ever seen.
I think you're a bit confused there, Sanath. Aravinda De Silva never played for Australia, and he's not currently playing for them now. But anyway, in current cricket, Australia are doing very, very badly in the Ashes. What do you think they can do to improve their performance? Tell us, Sanath, your extreme wisdom.
All depends on how they perform. When they perform well, they start winning, they will always do well. The all depends on how will you performing.
Okay, that was one of the most useless answers I've ever heard. Of course, if you perform well, you win. But anyway, disregard that. Thank you very much, Sanath, for coming on the show. We really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you again next time, Sanath. Goodbye.
Thank you very much.